Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cannot connect to App Store. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your device, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your internet connection is properly working. If it is not working, use your mobile data to fix this problem and restart your device for one time, and also restart your internet connection to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for other solution if it doesn't work. So guys, the other solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure your App Store is working properly. So guys, make it sure that the App Store server is not down and it is working properly on all devices, and check App Store server online on any web browser. So guys, go back for other solution if it doesn't work. That is, you will have to reset your network settings on your device. So guys, open settings on your device, scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset, and again tap on reset. From here, select reset network settings, give here your passcode and reset your network settings on your device, and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solution. That is, you will have to make sure that your Apple ID is properly working. So guys, you will have to sign out your Apple ID for one time, and then you will have to sign in again to your device if your Apple ID is working properly or not. So guys, tap on sign out and then sign in again your Apple ID and check it is working properly or not. So guys, go for the other solution if it doesn't work. That is, you will have to set your date and time according to your country, and then you will have to set it to automatically. So guys, open settings on your device, tap on general, tap on date and time. So guys, from here, check your time zone and set it according to your country, and also turn on set automatically your date and time. So guys, after all these solutions, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.